What's up, guys? I'm so excited today. I got the 2017 Road to WrestleMania hobby box. I haven't seen anyone upload this yet, but they probably will this weekend. What's today's date? Today is February 1st, and today's the street date release for this, which is really exciting. I got this from Steel City Collectibles. There's 2 hits per box. I think if there's 24 packs, yeah, 24 packs, 7 cards per pack. So let's get to it and open. I'm so excited to open this. So excited to open it. Don't mind the mess in the back. So let's see. This box is different from other hobby boxes. Here we go. This. Put it right there. It's my first time seeing these cards. Let's see. Okay, let's get to it. So there's 2 hits per box in these. Okay, let's open up. Bear with me as it's my first time seeing them too. Oh, wow. Oh. Charlotte. Is that bronze? No. Team Tour Divas. Oops. Dana Brooke. Pretty freaking cool so far. Oh, I'm so excited for these. I'm hoping to pull a Kiss card. I've seen someone open these and they got 2 Liv Morgan Kiss cards. Triple H, Baron Corbin, the Usos, The Rock, Diamond Dallas Page, Cesaro, Roman Reigns. Oops, I hope you guys could see. Let's see. Oh, it feels a little heavy. Ooh, Emma, Lana, Triple H, Brock Lesnar, Triple H, another Brock Lesnar. Pretty freaking cool. Kofi Kingston, ooh, Natalia, John Cena, Sami Zayn, John Cena, Baron Corbin, Roman Reigns. Goldust, Sheamus, Triple H, Brock, Shane McMahon, Roman Reigns, Lita. That's a pretty cool card. Wow. I like that. Let's open another. Sami Zayn, Undertaker, Enzo and Cass, Dean Ambrose. Oh, look at that. Sasha and Bailey. Dean Ambrose, Brock Lesnar. There's a lot of Brock in this. You know what? No, I'm gonna save that one. That one goes heavier. Okay, let's see. Chris Jericho, Charlotte, The Godfather, Rusev, Roman Reigns, Daniel Bryan and Mick Foley, and there's stuff in that too, and Sting. Jimmy Uso, Mark Henry, Seth Rollins, The Miz, Dean Ambrose, The Club. That's a pretty cool card. Chris Jericho. That one feels heavy too. Trying to make sure I don't get the hit and save the hit for last. Hopefully, hopefully pull a Kiss card. Those are hard to get. Dolph Ziggler, Big Show, Brock, Dean, Shane, AJ Styles. have another hobby box coming in, and I have 2 blaster boxes coming in. Oh, there's my first hit. Kofi Kingston, authentic autograph. Huh. Let's see what it says on the back. I don't know if you can read that. It says 187 of 200. Probably trade or sell that. Not really. I mean, I'm a fan of them, but I don't collect his cards. Oh well. Look, Stephanie McMahon, Darren Young, John Cena, Dean Ambrose, Roman Reigns, Kalisto, the Wyatt family. Okay, let's see. Kevin Owens, Dean Ambrose, Triple H, Charlotte. That's a cool card. Dean Ambrose, The Rock. There's a lot of Dean Ambrose and a lot of Brock in the set. Wow. Okay. Let's see. Eva Marie. Wow, that's a nice card. Big E, Triple H, Brock Lesnar, Dean Russo's. Oops, let me see. Triple H and Stephanie McMahon WrestleMania card. That's a cool card. Oh, these cards I'm digging. Oh, yes. Sasha Banks. That's an awesome card. Oh, snap. A printing plate. What is this? Shane McMahon and Stephanie McMahon. Is that my second hit? I hope not. I wanted a kiss card. Wow. Oh, it's thick too. Yep, look. 1 of 1. Stephanie McMahon, Road to Mr. Let's see. Shane McMahon and Stephanie McMahon. Wow. Not bad. You know, at least it has Stephanie on it. That's pretty cool. Okay, I'm guessing that would be my 2 hits. So let's open the rest and see. Free pack, Slam, Charlotte. These are pretty cool cards. Like I said, I have another hobby coming in the mail, and 2 blaster boxes, and hopefully get more, because these are pretty cool. I dig them. I like them. Kalisto. Another Dean Ambrose, John Cena, Charlotte, WrestleMania card. That's cool. I'm a big fan of the Divas, so Diva cards I enjoy. Ooh, Becky Lynch. Oh, Summer Rae, Brock Lesnar, Tatanka. Ooh, that's a cool card. She's holding the Divas champion. Wow, that's cool. Let's see. 4 more packs left. AJ Styles, pretty cool. Kane. Charlotte. Daniel Bryan. 3 more packs left. Roman Reigns. Tamina. Ooh. Cesaro. Undertaker. Charlotte. Kalisto. Another Dean Ambrose. Braun Strowman. or as other people like to call him, Beef Stroganoff. My sister likes to call him that. Ric Flair, Vader, AJ Styles. That's the same card I got the 1 of 1 on. Roman and Undertaker. Let's see, last pack left. Let's see if there's anything underneath the box. Nope. Last pack left of this box. Jey Uso, Alicia Fox, really nice card. Shane, Undertaker, Zack Ryder, Maurice, nice Maurice card, and Rusev. Okay, now let's see what we could. Let's see again what the hits were. Kofi Kingston autograph and a printing plate, which I guess is not that bad. Hopefully my next few will be a Kiss card or a Diva auto. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. I will be breaking more of these, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a like, subscribe. Hope you guys have a nice day. Peace.